Where are we, Mina?
We're at the beach.
It's 8:30. There's already lots of people in the parking lot. Lots of surfers. There's Dad and the kids over there. It's sort of a foggy day today, but I'm sure there's going to be lots of people later on today. I came here separate from my kids and Dad, and they don't know that I'm already here at the beach. Let's see if I can surprise them. What is Rena doing? She's throwing rocks. And Rena is so nice. She's carrying Kento. She's giving him a piggyback ride. There are people fishing here. And I want to see someone catch a fish. So far, I don't see anybody catching any fish. Look at them ride the waves. Look at them riding the waves. And what are you going to do from now?
Eat lunch.
Really? Eat lunch?
Yes.
What is your brother and his friends? What are they doing?
Playing at the water.
Playing in the water. They are playing in the water. And what do you want to do?
I don't know.
You want to eat lunch, right? That's what you just said. Rena, what are you going to eat for lunch?
Rice.
Rice? You're going to eat rice?
Yes.
Is it a rice ball?
Yes.
Yes. Who made the rice ball?
Me.
Wow, that's a deep pool. Yeah, that's nice. 作ってるの. You're making a pool? Wow, this is a big pool.
Someone has to stay here. 取って取って。もうやろう。痛くないよ。こちょこちょ。
Tickly.
Yes.
We brought home the mole crabs and Dad fried them. They look pretty good. They look like calamari. Kento, go ahead, eat it. Is it good? It's oishi? What does it taste like?
It's like crab, half crab and half shrimp.
Was today a good day?
Yes.
A fun day?
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.